All right, story on Recode and on a lot of other websites that OfferUp is offering a shipping option so that you can sell items instead of just locally all across the country. Obviously trying to compete with eBay. They're trying to get a step ahead of, Letgo and Craigslist. And they've been, a lot of people don't know this, OfferUp has been around since 2011, 7 years. So that's crazy. They're the #3 most popular shopping app on Apple devices, which is pretty big. And they think that they're going to be able to talk people into buying and having stuff shipped, just like when before you'd find great items, but they were too far away. Hopefully a lot of buyers and sellers will move over there to it. It makes sense for them. They reported last year that OfferUp was generating revenue in the single-digit millions each month, which is pretty crazy. That makes them, a 10 million plus a year business at least, mainly off their promoted listings and ads. Well, now they're going to make money off taking percentages of business. They're trying to get a $100 million investment, which would make them, a $1 billion company, if not already. They're going to charge 7.9% per transaction, including payment fees. So 7.9% total, which is very good compared to, eBay's around 13, 14 when you add in PayPal and eBay fees combined. Amazon anywhere from 8 to 17. So, pretty good. The bigger outstanding question, though, of course, are consumers willing to pay the shipping fees on OfferUp that will range from around 5 to 20. So it sounds like they're going to do something like Poshmark, but not the same. They're going to have multiple options where, like, the lightest items will just be a set fee, $5, $6, or up to like heavy items for $20. And so we'll have to see how that works out. But a lot of you guys do use OfferUp. Do you think you can see yourself using OfferUp as a shipping app to buy and sell on? It could be good for sourcing because you could find stuff that's far away. People aren't willing to, meet you, or maybe it's just way too far away where it's not possible, and you could buy it, have it shipped to you, and then flip it. Because I find stuff on OfferUp in like Miami, which is like a 5-hour drive, where it's like, man, I could buy that and make $50. Well, if it's going to cost me an extra 5 or 10 to get it shipped to me, well, I can still buy it and make some money. So we'll have to see. OfferUp announcing on May 1st, which was just the other day, that they are going to start doing shipping in-app. Please tell me if you use OfferUp in the comment section. And if you think you might see yourself using it to buy stuff from far away that normally you wouldn't be able to buy. So go OfferUp. I can't imagine Letgo won't be far behind. Add it to the app. I mean, there's 4 of them now: Poshmark, Mercari, OfferUp, and probably Letgo in the near future. So there you go, guys. A lot of you asked for it, and now they've done it. Thanks a lot so much for watching. Make sure you check out the description box down below for all the links, anything you need, my eBay store, Amazon links, the Facebook group. And if you want to join the VIP Facebook group, I'm still running the special, 3 months, $30. Email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, and I will get you in.